Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Clara, and in today's video I have another Dollar Tree DIY project for you guys. These two projects are going to be a galvanized look inspired, so let's get started. Okay, and these are the materials we're going to be using for the first project. You're going to want a paintbrush, black paint, white paint, a metallic spray paint, and one of these kids watering can, and I did find these in the kids section. You're gonna want 2 stems of this wisteria that looks like this. Now the very first thing you want to do is you want to go ahead and remove the sticker from the watering can. After you remove the sticker, you're going to want to spray paint this with the metallic spray paint. And this is what mine looks like now that it's been spray painted. Now the next thing you want to do is you want to grab your black and white paint of your choice, and you want to mix these 2 colors together. Alright, and what I did is I grabbed some of the black paint and some of the white paint, and I'm going to go ahead and mix it together. So it looks like that. So this is going to give you a gray color. Now what you want to do is you don't want to completely paint the whole can. What you want to do is you just want to kind of like add small amounts of paint, because you want some of that metallic to peek through. And we're going to continue this for the whole can. And I left a little bit of white on the side here because I'm going to add just a little bit of white paint. So it's going to start looking like this. And we're going to continue this throughout the whole watering can. The galvanized look is not meant to look perfect, so you can kind of go ahead and then just play with this to your liking. And this is what my little watering can looks like. It's like that. And like I said, you can paint this to your preference. You can add more of a metallic look or more of a rustic look. That's up to you. I'm just gonna show you up close what it looks like. Next, I'm gonna grab my 2 flower stems. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove just the flowers from the stems. Now I'm just going to kind of bend my flowers. I'm going to go ahead and just add them to my watering can. And this was my preference for flowers, but you can go ahead and use whatever kind of flowers you like. And this is going to be the final look to this project. And to the materials that we're gonna be using for the next project, you're gonna want a paintbrush, black paint, white paint, metallic spray paint, some hot glue, one of these houses that look like this, and one of these flower stems, and these are the wild flowers. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is in our last project we mixed some of the white and black paint, so we're gonna go ahead and start and use that to paint the inside of that color. I'm going to go ahead and let this first layer of paint dry, then I'm going to go ahead and add another layer of paint. Okay, so now that you have this that look gray color, what you want to do, and I do have my back door open, so I'm just going to be spraying a little bit of this spray paint, and I'm going to go ahead and add some of this onto this just to give it that metallic look. And you want very little of the spray paint, so. And this is how mine's gonna look from the inside once it's all done. Now what we're going to do is we're gonna grab our flowers and we're gonna remove them from the stems. Now with my glue gun, I'm just gonna go ahead and add some hot glue to the ends of my flower stem like that. Oops. And then I'm gonna go ahead and start hot gluing them at the bottom. So this little wooden house comes with like a little edge here at the bottom, and that's where I'm gonna go ahead and align all my flowers and start hot gluing them to the inside. And this is the end result to this project. So it's really cute because it's just like a little wooden house, all these flowers, and then the back looks galvanized. This just looks super cute and super farmhouse. Alrighty guys, and that's going to be the end of my video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Now please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're new, and make sure you hit that little bell button so you guys get notified every time I post a new video. And I would appreciate it if you guys would comment down below and let me know which one was your favorite project. And I will see you all on my next one. Bye.